Hi, I'm Michael Dominici with SGM Lighting. This is our new product, the VPL series. This is our 1220 model. It's a 4-foot length, and we also have a 1-foot length. We have 64 clusters of tri-chip LEDs. You get 8,400 nits of output from this fixture, IP66 rated. You can run 260 linear feet of this product off of one power supply. Individual pixel mapping. It's open source protocol. You have ArtNet, streaming ACN, any media server, lighting controller. It's completely open source. We obtain our IP66 rating by filling the entire chassis and LED board with optical silicone to ensure it's fully sealed. This product will be shipping in the next few months, and please visit sgmlight.com for more information.